Hello guys, this is multi-talented and currently I'll tell you about how to flip your video in VSDC free video editor. So let's get to it. First of all, this is my home screen and you have to open it, VSDC free video editor. It's getting started. Give it some time. And what you want to know about VSDC video editor, that I have some demo videos that will show you how to flip your video, as also known as the mirror video. You can change the angle and we'll start it. Close it. You will start with a new project named as project 1. Click OK, and in the add project here you click on it and insert a video or whatever you want to do it. Give it a folder. I'll have in this one, no, in this one, yeah, I have it, this one. Simply OK. See, this is a money heist profile. When you start it, click start. See.
Hijo de puta. Te odio.
Porque esto tendría que ser el final de algo.
You see
¿No podría ser el principio
this is a one video.
de una
So
hermosa
we will
amistad?
stop it and we'll get to the start of it. This one's edit, click on it, and video effects. In transforms you will get this one, flip. Click OK, then see it's vertically flipped. Which if you want a vertical flip, then this is the one. But if you want a horizontal flip, like changing the directions, then here you can start this horizontal flip, this one. As you can see, the flip effect has been transferred. You see,
Hijo de puta. Te odio.
Porque esto tendría que ser el final
the
de
flip
algo.
effect has been charged.
¿No podría ser el principio de una hermosa amistad?
Yes. And then we'll go to the export project. On export project, you will get in whatever format you want to edit your video, AVI, and then this is the location where your project will be saved, and then click on export project, continue, and your project will be exporting this. Conversion is completed. Okay, then you will go to the link where your videos will be saved, this one, and this one, project 1. Open it. See,
Hijo de puta. Te odio.
Porque esto tendría que ser el final de algo.
as you have seen.
¿No podría ser el principio?
So, thank you guys. If you want more videos like this, then do let me know. Thank you. Do subscribe my channel. Stay blessed.